What's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel, Earn It, Save It, Invest It, where I talk about stocks, family, and anything financial. In this video, I'm going to break down the multiple ways you can make money on YouTube in 2019, and not just how you can make money, but what's the best way to get your videos seen, what is their algorithm looking for, and is it still profitable and worth it to even be on YouTube? Let's break it down. Usually when you say make money on YouTube, people think of the advertisements first, so let's break that down first. What do you need to get an advertisement to play on your video? YouTube requires you to have 1,000 subscribers on your channel. Number 2 requirement is the one that people have a hard time with: 4,000 hours total of your content watched within the last 12 months. So you have to have 4,000 hours, which equals 240,000 minutes, or 166.66 days total of your content watched within the last 12 months in order to make a penny. Now obviously 4,000 hours, 240,000 minutes, or 166.66 days seems like a lot to most of us, but it's not a whole lot when you actually think about who is watching YouTube and how much of it is being watched per day. Let's break down these numbers. 8 out of 10 people 18 to 49 years old watch YouTube every month. That's 80% of the people watching YouTube every month between those ages. It's the second largest search engine, next to Google, of course, which is, it owns YouTube. So if someone's going to Google how to do this, the first videos are going to pop up are on YouTube. So you could essentially say it's the number 1 and 2 search engine. It's the third most visited site compared to Facebook and Google. 400 hours of video are uploaded every minute. So people are uploading 400 hours every single minute to YouTube, and more than 1 billion hours are being watched on YouTube every single day. That is more than Netflix and Facebook combined. So YouTube is being watched a lot. That you're talking 1 billion hours in a day. You need 4,000 hours within 12 months. It's starting to look a little easier. And the average viewing session on a mobile phone is about 40 minutes. So now you're getting the 80% of the people between this demographic on the phone for about 40 minutes on YouTube. You have a real shot at reaching out to these people. Here are some suggestions to get your video actually looked at, because YouTube does have an algorithm that they work with, obviously. The number 1 suggestion would have to be to make long videos. Like I said, if you make a video that's 6 minutes long and the people are watching only half of it, that's 3 minutes. So make a 12-minute long video and hope they watch half of it, and now you're at 6 minutes. The longer your videos, the longer you can probably keep people on, and YouTube likes long videos, because if you're able to have ads on your videos, you have more spots to put those ads. So the suggestion would be to make 10 to 20 minute long videos. The title would probably have to be number 2. You want to have a good title name. You don't want just something boring, whatever. You want to catch people's attention. Along with the title name though, you want a good thumbnail, because that's something that they see. Sometimes you only see a few of the first words of the description, but you see the full thumbnail. You see the whole picture. So you can actually, if you want, put like some of your description as text in the thumbnail, you know, so get very creative with that, and that helps a lot. The SEO and the keywords, you definitely want to be putting as much search engine optimization, you know, keywords in there as you can to get people to, you know, obviously to get your video to pop up when people are searching. And then the start of your video. 20% of users will leave a video within the first 10 to 15 seconds. So your first 10 to 15 seconds has to be vital. It's important. So if you don't have that correct, you probably lost people. And I've noticed that on some of my videos where I can tell, or I've looked back, I'm like, God, I didn't start that video off right. Just plummets. Just right away, just people are it just plummets. So you definitely want to start your video off right. And some of the top videos are obviously like a how-to this, or a top this, or comparing this and that, you know. There's all different types of videos that you can do, but those are the top suggestions to get your videos viewed the most and to pop up in the suggestions and the search boxes. So let's say you're somebody, you don't want to have your focus on 4,000 hours of content of your videos watched, right? You don't want that. Well, the best way to make money, and it's actually better than ads, is affiliate marketing, right? You don't really have to technically be selling something. Let's say I want to do a video about my Canon camera. Look at my camera, right? It's got all these cool designs and it's, you know, 4K, all this stuff, right? Hey, if you would like to buy one, I have a link in my description and you can click it. You can click it and check it out. When people click it, they go onto Amazon and then they buy it. Now you're getting a percentage of that purchase. You know, all these people are doing these videos where they're reviewing stuff or unboxing something and doing all that, but they all have a link in their description so that you can buy it. Because once you click that, now they've infected your device with cookies. So even if you don't go and buy that product that they sent you to, and you buy another product, they're still making money off it, or you. Right? If you send someone and they don't buy that product that you send them to, but they buy another product, you can still make money off that purchase. The best affiliate marketing videos are the product reviews, the product tutorials, the comparison, and the top product, right? You want to review a product, you say, hey, check it out, look at this, because that means most likely whoever's viewing it might be wanting to buy it. A tutorial where someone might be looking to buy it in the future, then hey, how does this work? So that's also a really good one. Comparison, you want to say, hey, check this and this, you know, this one versus this one, because someone who's buying might want to see what the competition's like. And then the top videos, or the top products, right? Top phones, top cameras, top video games, whatever it is, because someone might be looking for the best camera or the best budget, this, that, and then so you can give them a list and then put all the links down there and give them that many more choices for them to click and for you to make money. And last but not least, because there are actually plenty of ways to make money on YouTube, but the last way I'm going to explain how to make money on YouTube is by selling product. You can sell physical objects, right? You can sell mugs, you can sell t-shirts, you can do all that, but really the money makers are in courses. Whatever you know how to do professionally or very, very well, you can make a course about it, a video course about it. Maybe you have 5 videos, 10 videos, you just make a full-on course about it and you sell it. People are selling it $50, $100, $200 worth for, you know, one-time payment, and people are making all kinds of money on that. And you can also sell books, digital books. Of course, that's a huge one. You write a book digitally, you don't have to print it, and you put it out there. You put it out on YouTube, and then you can also put it on Amazon as well. So there's all kinds of different ways you can be selling products and making money on YouTube. Thank you for watching my video about how to make money on YouTube in 2019. I hope I was able to share some kind of knowledge to help you, get to that point. I personally am now starting to make money on YouTube ads. I'm kind of proud about it. I made one video that kind of blew up. I am making consistent videos every week or two or something, but I made a video and it blew up, and it happened to do with my thumbnail, what it was about. It was kind of a trendy thing, and I had good search engine optimization, and eventually YouTube put it in the suggestions. And that's where you want to be. You want YouTube to suggest your video. It blew up. And now I'm making money. And it blew up within the first month. It took a month for it to actually gain steam. And then it just took off from there. And now, ever since January 1st, the new year in 2019, I am now officially making money on YouTube. It's not a whole lot, but I'm making money on it right now. And I just actually started this channel less than a year ago. I started 6 months ago maybe, so within 6 months I'm making money on YouTube. And my wife had a baby. I have a 3-year-old. I have 2 jobs. I'm a video editor, so I'm all over the place. And I was still able to make these videos and make money on YouTube within 6 months. So it's possible. It's possible. You can do it. I can do it. Anybody can really do this. Just go out there, put it out there, try to make some money, and if it doesn't work, then you know what? Crap happens, right? But at least you tried, and that's all that matters. Alright, so don't forget to earn it, save it, invest it, buy low, sell high. I want assets, not liabilities, and you can count on compounded interest.